Hey everybody, Stepbro here. So today we're going to talk about the most risky stocks that I am considering with leverage. Best stocks to buy now. This old man is scum. He is giving crack, stock crack specifically, to his fans. He doesn't care if his fans lose all their money, if they gamble their money away, as long as he can collect ad revenue by talking about risky stocks with leverage. Let's see what StockMo is promoting to his fans now. Remember, when StockMo sees a stock go up, he talks about it. If it goes down, whatever, it's going to come back out. But if he sees a stock going up, he's basically just going to start pumping it on his channel. Why? Because when stocks go up, retail clowns get interested. When they go down, they say it's bad. So let's listen to StockMo teach his fans exactly what to buy with leverage.
And I got to tell you, of course, this is the last one before we get into the leverage. Tesla has been rolling up. So this isn't even leverage. Did you know there was a leverage product for Tesla? Did you know you could have got 75% year to date, right?
Okay. Like I said, StockMo talks about stocks that go up a lot. Retail is interested in Tesla because Tesla is known to go down very quickly, but it's also known to go up very quickly. So you combine Tesla, the stock, the magical 10x, 20 billion gazillion market cap in the future stock, you combine that with some recent price action about the stock going up 75%, you throw in a little bit of leverage for potentially more gains, bro, and you got retail very interested. But remember when I said that Tesla stock goes up a lot and it goes down a lot? Well, that gets amplified with leverage. Now, how do you measure a stock's volatility? Now, I'm no finance expert, but I know that the beta is a measurement of volatility relative to the market. If a stock has a beta of 1, that means it basically moves in sync with the overall stock market. If the stock market goes down 1%, a stock with a beta of 1 would go down 1%, et cetera, et cetera. If it goes up 1%, it would go up 1%. What does Tesla do? What is Tesla's beta? 2.11. If the stock market goes down 1%, Tesla goes down 2%, et cetera, et cetera. Of course, it's not exactly correlated, but basically what this is saying is Tesla is twice as volatile as the market. And if you don't remember, recently, Tesla got absolutely annihilated. And then a bunch of clowns, because that's all they've been conditioned to do. When the stock goes down, you just buy it and it goes back up, and it seems to work every single time. So they keep doing it over and over again until it doesn't work. The clowns went ahead and bought Tesla stock, and now it's up massively. So let's hear what StockMo has to say about this leveraged Tesla product.
Did you know there's another way to trade Tesla? It's more risky, it pays more, and look at this, year to date, 127% up on Tesla. It is a new product out of this company, 1.5 times shares. And so you get 1.5 leverage on that. Now, keep in date, that's year to date so far, right?
Okay, so in the course of a month, basically, and some change, a month and a week, this thing is up 127%. Holy crap. If you had bought the bottom perfectly, like a good little Tesla clown who just buys it when it goes down, you'd be up 127%. Retail is salivating, and Stepbro knows that people are going to be interested in this. But you know the funny thing? When something goes up a lot very quickly, it usually stops going up a lot pretty quickly. At some point, it might even shed a little bit. So what you're seeing is people buying something after it's already gone up 127% in the course of a freaking month and a week. And you know what they're going to do? They're going to buy it, and then it's going to go back freaking down. And because this is leveraged, you're going to get absolutely wrecked. Now, StockMo's going to warn you, this is risky. You got to be careful with this. That's how he thinks he covers his butt, okay? He can just warn you. But it's kind of like, imagine if I had crack, right? Like a highly addictive substance. And I said, this stuff's very good, okay? You're going to feel really good, but I got to warn you. You can get very addicted to this, ladies and gentlemen. Very, very, very addicted. But I said I warned you. I said I warned you, I'm stock Moe. So it's okay, right? Anybody that promotes leveraged ETFs, shares, whatever, is a clown, is a disgusting scumbag that is only trying to catch retail eyeballs so they can get ad revenue. And in exchange, the retail eyeballs see this with their beady little eyes, and then they go buy this garbage, and they get absolutely wrecked. But it went up 127% strong, man. Well, let's look at TSLL TSLA. You should buy it, bro. Just go all in, bro. Now, TSL's performance is pretty freaking bad, okay? If you start at September 19th, which may or may not be my birthday, and you go down over the course of just a couple of months, this thing fell 80%, okay? These are your gains right here that Stepbro is looking at. These are the gains, bro. Look how much it freaking fell during a down market. If Tesla falls again, you're going to get wrecked. 80% down in just a couple of months. Yeah, you should buy it after a massive run-up. Let's compare it to Tesla stock, okay? This is a 1.5x direction bull. So we look at Tesla Tesla, right? We'll start at September 19th, basically the last peak of Tesla Tesla. And then we go to December. So Tesla fell over that same time period to 64%. So I guess whoever's running TSLL has actually, not lost 1.5. So I guess it loses less when it goes down, right? But still, do you see my point? Tesla is highly volatile. Tesla can go up quickly. It can also go down quickly. Tesla is known to go up quickly and go down quickly. A leverage ETF is going to amplify those upward and downward movements. And if you're buying Tesla or this TSLL crap after it already went up massively, there's a chance that it might go into a downtrend again. And guess what happens? You get wrecked. Look at this freaking clown. Oh, excuse me. Look at this absolute freaking moron promoting this stuff. And he doesn't care, okay? As long as he gets the clicks, as long as you sign up for his Patreon, bro, and as long as he warns you, if you're gonna smoke crack, you might get addicted, but, it feels really good. That's what he's freaking doing, okay? So I just wanted to warn you about this clown. I mean, you do whatever you want. I'm going to keep buying BT in a tax advantage account like a boring loser. You guys can gamble on clown stocks. That's your prerogative. And you have a wonderful day. Cheers.